Okay, we are going to find the value of each expression. 40 times 10. We know when we multiply by 10, we take our number and add a 0, which made our 4 and our 0, our first 0, move a place value to the left. We added a place value in the hundreds place. 40 times 10 is 400. We'll do the same thing over here. This time, since it's times 100, we add 2 zeros to our number. So 4,000. Remember, go back after you have your number to do the commas. Okay, 40 times 1,000, we'll do the same thing. 40, we need to add 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. Count over 1, 2, 3, add your comma. And 40 times 10,000. 40. And this time we're going to add 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count over your place values. There you go. So remember, you start with your original number, then you add how many zeros are in the number you are multiplying. It's an easy little trick. So there are our values of each expression, or what each of those expressions are equal to.